Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to use Hypershift on your RAZER Viper V4 Pro. So you guys can actually double your buttons on the same mouse. So if you got, let's say, 5 buttons, then you will have 10. And I'll show you how to do that. We have the RAZER snaps right here. Now we want to go over to the RAZER Viper V4 Pro, and here we got the standard and the Hypershift. So the Hypershift is actually responsible for letting us pick another button. So we're going to go to standard first because here we need to actually enable it. We're going to put it at the mouse button 4 for an example. We're going to go over here and select RAZER Hypershift. We're going to click save, and we got it right here. Now let's say we want the left click to open up the AI launcher so it can open up the chat GPT. We're going to click on AI chat. Now the right click could open, let's say, the prompt master for the images. So we can click save. And as you guys can see now, this button right here at the bottom is our Hypershift button. So once we click the left mouse button, we are opening a chat GPT chat. Now we got the AI prompt master because we clicked the right button. So we can have fun with it. Now it works as a casual left and right button because we are not clicking on these two buttons. As you guys can see, we can do the scroll click. For example, we want it to be so it launches a website, so it can launch, let's say, chatgpt.com. And it is also as the Hypershift. So now let's hold the Hypershift button and press on the scroll. As you guys can see, it opened it up. Let me try again. Yes, it is opening ChatGPT over and over again. As you guys can see, I'm spamming it and there's ChatGPT loading up. So it works. This is how you guys can basically double the buttons on your mouse. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.